Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is professional photo frame mockup. Total file is 24 in 1 point something 1.29 GB. Okay, these are PSD file for latest version of Photoshop like Photoshop CC plus and CS plus. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. Okay, so double click here. Okay, you see here in layer area, here is effect, and here is change design, and last is our background. You see background. Okay, so our main work is here. Extract this and change your design. Double click here, and we need a photo. Press delete it or depend your choice. Open, and here is curl. We need this one or select this one. Drag there. Okay, Control S for saving. Now you see our photo in frame, so you can do it, or select this one. Control S, Control black and white. Oh, amazing look. Okay, now same thing is here, same here. Here is some changing. Here is vertical, and here is square or a square. Wow, same thing is here. Here is brightness, change design, delete it. We need a photo, like this one. Resolution 3000. Control S. Or you can 1000. Enter, Control S. Wow, no. So you can adjust one by one, and last I open this one. We need a photo. Go to change design, upload. We need a portrait like this one. Control S. You see our images here. I hope this mockup are useful for you. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. Take care, Allah Hafiz.